This is Mumford having his bottle. Mumford is from Buckingham Road in Brooklyn.
It's not his name.
It's not his name?
No.
He told me it's his name because look, there's a M on his forehead for Mumford.
It's not right. It's not right there.
All right. And Mumford's about 4 weeks old. And he's getting his bottle of Het Lak kitten formula.